Are you looking to get your business seen on Google first page? If yes, I've got you covered in this video. What's up guys, it's Mstars Tutors. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put your business on Google so that whenever user searches for your services or products you sell, your business name or your website will be able to show up on Google search as per user search term. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to quickly go to my computer screen and show you how to get your business seen on Google. So if you have a hosting company that you want to rank, or you want people to be able to locate your hosting company, or you have an affiliate marketing product and you want it to show on Google, this is how to get it done. For example, I am a digital marketer and I own a digital marketing agency called Mstars. So now I want my business to be shown to users whenever they search for terms relating to SEO or digital marketing stuff. So what I'm going to do right now, like I said earlier, I have a digital marketing firm or agency rendering SEO services. For example, I'm going to show you how I was able to put my business on Google. So if you type my business, if you type my agency name, it's going to show here on Google search. So as you can see right here, this is my business website here. This is my website link. So right here is a snippet or a knowledge base showing you what Mstars is all about. So as you can see right here, it says Mstars, best SEO and digital marketing company in Lagos, Nigeria. So as you can see right here, this website here allows you to link your Facebook page, your Instagram handle, your page connected to your business. You can link it right here, or if your business have a website, you can put your website link right here, so that whenever visitors come to your business page like this or your Google panel like this, they can have access to your website. Why the direction option right here is another good stuff offered by Google to allow your visitor to locate you physically. So this is right here, my store location or my service office location is located in so place. So Google is going to give a good insight to your visitors coming to visit your site. If they are driving or they want to get the real location to your business, they can use the Google map to locate where your business is pointed. Okay, so this option here, you just save. You want to save, you can save it. I have 12 reviews on my agency. I have, okay, this is right here, this is where my business is located, this is my address. So this one allows you to embed your working hours. As you can see, it works from so times to so times. It's going to show you everything, your phone number for visitors to contact you or your website users to contact you. Then if you want to book an appointment with me, you can use this option right here to book an appointment. So after watching this video, you're going to have options or have access to create your own Google panel like this and link your business to it free of charge. You don't have to pay a dime, it's totally free. I'm going to show you step by step on how I was able to link my business or connect my business to Google search. Alright, so as you can see right here, these are product available. These are my services I render on Mstars. So these are the services right here. Go down, keep scrolling down a bit, you see about Mstars here. You see, we help businesses maximize profit by creating awareness, driving website traffic through search engine optimization, connecting with customers and converting traffic into leads. So this is what Mstars is all about. Right now, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to connect Mstars to Google. It's pretty easy. So if you have a company that you want to connect to Google, or you have a product you want to connect to Google, or you have your store you want to link up to Google, or your business or brand you want to link up to Google, this option is highly recommended to get seen and visible by all internet users across the web. So now we're going to make use of what we call Google My Business. Google My Business. This is what allows you to integrate your business online. Google My Business. So this is Google My Business. So what you have to do, you have to click on this link right here, Google My Business, sign up to Google My Business. So this is it right here. We're going to click on the link to sign up and insert our business details. So as you can see right here, it said engage with customers on Google for free. With a Google My Business account, you get more than business listing. Your free business profile lets you easily connect with customers across Google search and maps. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm not going to click on this login icon or button. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the manage now. So to put your business on Google search, as you can see, I already have a business listed there. So I'm going to add my new email address to have access to create more accounts. So you're going to input your email address. I'm going to put my email address. Okay, let me change this. Password. So once you add your email address to Google My Business, you click on manage now and insert your email address. It's going to have something like this. Why you have these two options here is because I already have a business listed on Google with this email address. If you don't have any business listed on Google with your email address, it's going to appear in a different format. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on add business. So I'm going to click on the add business icon. So this is right here. I'm going to add single business. So when you click on it, so this is right here, you're going to find and manage your business. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for business name. So let's say I own MStack Tutors. So this is right here. I'm going to click on create business name. It's going to search if this business name appears and no one is bearing such name. So this is right here. It's going to ask you to select your business category. So you're going to input your business category. This is a business category. Let's type let's say something like learning. Oh yeah, this is it. I'm going to select the learning center as my category. So I'm going to click on next. You say, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? If you want to add a location, yes. That is, if you have a physical location, you're going to add yes. So I'm going to click on the yes option, but it's not really necessary to click on yes if you don't have a business location or if you don't want to add a business location. But in my case, I'm going to click on yes because I want to add my business location. So I'm going to click on the next option here. Okay, so it's asking you to tell them about your address. So I'm from Nigeria, so it's right here. So my address, let's choose, let's say Ikeja Military Cantonment, Maryland. Okay, this is my address, for example. Okay, let's say number 25, Ikeja Military Cantonment. Local government is Ikeja. City is Ikeja. Postal code, I'm going to input my postal code right here. States is Lagos State. So I'm going to click on the next option. So click it, next. So you say, where are you located? So it's very easy. All you have to do is you have to click or search for your business location right here. So as you can see, Maryland, you just have to use your mouse to search for the right location where your business is located. So let's say this is Maryland Mall, Ikeja. So let's say my business is located. So I'm going to click on this here and drag it to Maryland Mall and then click on next. So this is pretty easy. So do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? Yes or no? So I'm going to click on yes and then click on next. Add the areas you serve. It's optional, so I serve worldwide. So I'm going to click on the next. But if you have areas you serve, if you have a particular territory you render services to, you can select and put the territories on the blank space. All right, so right now I'm going to input my phone number. I'm going to put my phone number. I'm just going to use a random number. So this is my phone number, for example. Okay, and then okay, I think I need to put my real number because I will use it for verification. So let me go back. Right, so website URL, that is where I said if you have a website connected to your business, so this is where you're going to put your business website. Or if you don't have a website but you have a Facebook page or handle you want your visitors to go straight to see what you offer, the services you render, you can put your Facebook link here. That is your Facebook page link or your Facebook that's connected to your business. You can put it right here. All right, but in my case I'm going to put my website link. So let's say, okay, let me just put my website link here, https stocks, or I can put my YouTube link if I want. So I'm just going to use this, for example, mstocks. It's mstockstutors.com, my website link. I don't have a website, but I have a website. Get a free website based on your information. You can actually get a free website if you don't have a website. Google My Business offers free websites for all their users. So if you don't have a website and you wish to own one, you can get a free website from Google My Business. So in my case, I'm not going to click it. I'm going to leave it to my own website and click on the next icon. Alright, say verify. Choose a way to verify. In order to fully manage and represent this business on Google, you will need to confirm that is yours. Select how you like to get a verification code. So by default, Google is going to send a mail to your post address. The post address we just filled up. You make sure you put your real details, your real postal code, everything about you. Just make sure you don't forge. You make sure you use all real details. So Google is going to use that detail to send you a mail, and that mail contains a pin to verify your Google My Business account. And once it's verified, you will have full access to have your business listed on Google. With that verification, your business will still show on Google search, but it's not going to appear in a real way that you will want it to appear. For example, it's not going to have images access, but it can just show up right there, but it doesn't have the rights to upload images or some other features that are very, very important to your business. So what I'm going to do right here, contact name, I'm going to put my name. This is the name they're going to use for sending the mail, which contains my pin. So you say by default it takes 14 days to arrive to your location. So depending on the location you are, where you're located, if you are too far from Google, it's going to take some time. If you're in Nigeria, it's to take like 3 weeks to 1 month to get your pin delivered to your address, and then you can have it, you can have your business verified. Then you have full options. If you don't want to take the mail, okay, this is right here. Once you are done inserting your name, you're going to click, let's see more options to see if there's another option to verify. No. Okay, let's use the post mail. So this is right here. So you're going to click on the mail. So it's going to send a mail to your address. Say postcard is on its way. You will get a postcard with a verification code and next step in about 14 days. Blah blah blah. This is my detail, my contact address. I'm going to click on the continue. So it's going to take 14 days or more than 14 days to get your postcard. Then you can verify your business account. So you say add your services, select the services your business provides, and get matched with right customer. So I'm going to select the services my business provides. If you are into hosting, you own a hosting company, or you are into an e-learning platform, just key in what your services is all about. The services you provide, just key it in. So my services, I'm going to click adult lesson. So you can add more services. I'm going to click like online learning as my services. So just include your vital services that you offer. So that is it right here. Another service I render is, let's say, SEO consultation. Okay, so let's go to another service. Let's say let's just assume we have a hosting company. We do sell hosting, or let's say hosting. No, let's look for something else. Okay, let's say I don't really know services to add again, but this I'm just using to show you guys how it works. So let me just go with these two services rendering here. If you sell anything, just make sure you add what you offer right here. That is your services rendering. You can just make sure you add them. So once you are done, you can add any amount of services you want to offer to your viewers or to your visitors or to those searching for your business on Google search. So once you are done, you click on the next. So right, this is right here. So you're going to select the time your business operates. Does your business operate on Sunday? No. So it's going to select from Monday to Tuesday. So time, let's say 6. No, it's too early. So just put in the right time your business operates. Okay, let's just say, let me not waste your time. My business operates with 4 hours. Let me just business operates. So click on next. All right, so add messaging. Do you want to allow the messaging option so that user can message you from Google search? So yes, it's recommended to leave it open. So click on next. So here where you have to input your business description. If your business you sell cosmetics online, so this is where you're going to input what your business is all about. You can input 750 works, so you can key in 750 works. If you are into a hosting company, you can just make sure you describe what your business is all about. So here MStack is all about online learning, so I'm just going to make it brief and short. Online learning platform. So I'm going to click on next. So right here you're going to input your business pictures, your logo if you feel you want to put them online. So I'm going to click on add videos or add photos either. So I'm going to select from my system to add my business photo. Let me just take a random picture right here. So let me take this, let me just use this for example. All right, so in your case, just make sure you use all real details. I'm just using these pictures here, or these dummy pictures right here, to show you guys how to add your business on Google first page or how to add your business on Google search. So once I'm done adding the pictures, if you're okay, you can add 5 to any amount of images you want to add. Then you click on next. So this is right here. As you can see, do you want to advertise blah blah blah? I don't need to do that, so I'm just going to click on skip. If you want to advertise, you can actually use the option to advertise. As you can see, say your business profile is almost ready. You can continue making updates and edit to your profile at any given time or at any time. Your edits will be visible to customers on Google after you've been verified. So that is to say, it's very important to get your business verified. So that's why I said earlier you should use your real address so that Google can send you your PIN to verify your address. Another way around, there's another way I use to verify my business accounts without the use of Google PIN. I can actually open a business and verify it right now and verify it in less than 2 minutes. I'm going to make a video on that, on how you can verify your business in less than 2 minutes while setting it up. All right, so just watch out, keep visiting MStack, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Like my video and comment. I love this video. All right, so now our business is almost ready to go live, so I'm going to click on continue. So this is how you can create your business account. As you can see, it's a pending verification. So right now it's going to take like 5 to 10 minutes to get your business listed on Google. So after 10 minutes, you can go back again, search your business, you see it's listed on Google search. So guys, this is how you can create or how you can add your business listed on Google search. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.